How to reset TikTok feed. So first, you just have to launch your TikTok application and make sure that this one is up to date. The next thing to do here is to simply go to your profile. You can see profile at the bottom right corner. Tap this one. And then here, what you want to do next is to simply look for the three lines at the top right corner. So once you tap this three lines here, what you're going to do next is to simply go to settings and privacy. So you have to locate settings and privacy. So once you tap settings and privacy, you have to scroll down till you see this content and display and look for content preferences. So here you can see options. You just have to tap this refresh your For You page. So there's a question here, want a fresh start? Then you can also read the following here instructions and information. Once done, click continue and then tap refresh. And as you can see here, they will ask you why you did refresh your For You page. So you don't need to answer this one. All you have to do is to tap X. Then once you go back to your TikTok homepage, you will see there different types of videos and different niche. So that's how easy it is to refresh or reset TikTok feed. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.